means you are white.
What?
Oh, punta po yung entrance na nasa nakalagay.
We're here in the Punta Puego Peninsula, Punta Puego. Punta Puego. Ay, nawala yun.
There, I see.
There, yun, nandun sila sa taas yun. Yay!
Oh, so many houses.
Ano pala to? Village pala to?
It's a village. I thought it's a hotel.
Oh, there is a hotel in the end of this.
Oh God, this is where the people live.
Rich people are living here, ayo.
Neighborhood. It's a rich
Yeah.
neighborhood.
You want to live here, ayo?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, ang ganda
Ayun
ng
na yung
beach,
beach.
Wow! I see it's green sand.
Pwede pala sigurong ganun mag-ikot.
Wow. Hi, Ayu.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. Hello.
Grumpy.
She's tired. She's tired, Ayu. How about you? Is your dream vacation?
Tanong ko nga.
Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise, Ayu. Welcome to paradise, Ayu.